Hello guys, today we're going to know how to become a YouTuber for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a sentence we often hear when we are watching YouTube. YouTube is a social media for sharing and discovering various videos. Reporting from the VR Social Report in 2021, 94% of Indonesians who use the internet access YouTube. This proof that YouTube is a very popular medium for many people. No wonder, really, YouTube does provide a variety of content that we need, starting for informative, educative, to entertaining content. There are also, day by day, there are more and more content creators on YouTube or who are familiarly called YouTuber. It is common knowledge that creating content on YouTube can indeed make money. In fact, many people make income from YouTube their main source of income. Because of this, there are many people who are starting to learn to be YouTubers. And then, how to be successful YouTuber? Here I got some tips that you can try. And beginner YouTuber with smartphone can do that too. First, you can choose a content. The first way to become a YouTuber is to choose a content that is specific and focused content. There are so many categories of content that a YouTuber can create. You can choose according to what you like or good at. Also, you can choose whose topic can be varied or endless to discuss. Some example, it's like fashion. You can try on or mix and match fashion. And then music usually contains video cover songs. Or gaming, you can discussing certain games that are currently busy, or you can play game or anything. And then technology, such as review of smartphone, laptop, and others. And beauty usually display video content containing review of skincare, makeup tutorial for various activities and other beauty tips. Or you can make education, like usually content academic and general knowledge, as well as other fun facts, or health, DIY, lifestyle, entertainment content, daily vlogs, humor, or more. Determining in a content niche makes you more focused on a topic and can attract a relevant audience. In addition, you can focus on learning more deeply and creating interesting and highly quality content for the audience. And number 2, you can set the goals to be achieved. As a YouTuber, of course, there are goals to be achieved. For example, if you want to have a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers, you can monetize content. To achieve this goal, you can start by setting realistic targets. For example, within 5 months, your YouTube channel subscriber must reach 5,000 people, or your YouTube video reach 1,000 views in 2 weeks and other targets. That way you will be more enthusiastic about creating content and promoting it because there is something to be achieved. If the target is not achieved, it can be used as an evaluation material. There may be something missing from the promotion strategy, the content, the delivery of the message, or some other aspect. And number 3, you can planning your content idea. After knowing the content nice you want to work on, the next step is plan content idea will be created. To help with the content planning process, you can do this by identify the target audience, by who will watch this video, how old is she or he, what type of work do they have, why are they watching this video, what time do they usually watch it, and other questions can help you determine your audience persona. That way, it can make it easier for you to find out what kind of content the audience likes, how to deliver, concept, and promotional strategies. And you can also view competitor. You can look at competitor with similar niche to look for idea and then apply another principle is like observe, imitate, and modify. Copying here means not plagiarism, yes, but create content whose topic may be the same but from a different point of view with better quality, more interesting concept, and other modifications that make the content you create something new. And you can also do keyword research. Looking for ideas can also be done by keyword research or looking at topics that are currently being searched for. You can use several tools for keyword research such as Google Trends, Suggest, SEMrush, and others. And number 4, you can create a YouTube channel and account. The next step to becoming a YouTuber is to create a YouTube channel and account. How to create a YouTube channel and account is not difficult, really. You can create a YouTube account using a Gmail account or Google account that is directly connected to YouTube. You can use a unique and easy to remember channel name or a personal name too. And don't forget to complete all the required sections on YouTube such as profile photo, banner image, description, contact info, and more. And the number 5 is setting up your tool for content creation. To make quality video, of course, you need some tools. You don't have to invest in expensive or professional equipment right away. You can take advantage of existing tools, for example, with a cell phone with a good camera quality, of course, and a ring light of lighting, and then a microphone. In addition, do not forget to arrange the shooting location in advance. You can make sure the place is neat, well lit, and not noisy or too much noise in the video. And don't forget to install and learn video editing applications like Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, and others. There are so many video editing applications too on your smartphone. It's like InShot or Filmora Go, KineMaster, Adobe Premiere Clip, and others. Those are some ways to become a YouTuber for beginners you can try. Hopefully, helpful and useful, yes. Building a channel and a career as a YouTuber is not easy, but with a strong and consistent desire to create interesting and quality video content, slowly you can do it. By becoming a YouTuber, there will be many things you can learn. Don't forget to build relationship with other YouTubers. Who knows, you can make collaboration video. This method can also make loyal viewers of your fellow YouTuber watch your action too. Okay, maybe that's enough video that I can convey. Hopefully it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.